In this video, I guide you through using the free network monitoring tool Zabbix, including installing and configuring it on Ubuntu 24.04. Zabbix is an enterprise-level monitoring solution for servers, networks, and applications. Download Ubuntu by visiting the official Ubuntu website. Follow these steps to download the latest version. We are downloading Ubuntu 24.04. After the ISO file is downloaded, launch VMware Workstation and click Create a new virtual machine. Click Typical and then click Next. OS type set Linux and Ubuntu. Assign a name for your VM. Location. Choose a folder to store the VM files.
Disk capacity set recommended 20 to 50 gigabytes. Choose split VM disk in multiple file for better performance. Following these steps to run VM. Click Power on this virtual machine to start the VM. Select Install Ubuntu and follow the on-screen instructions like language, keyboard layout, internet option and other. Click Install Now and confirm changes. Wait for the installation to complete, and restart when prompted. It takes some time. Click Restart for complete Ubuntu install. Completed Ubuntu install. It's working fine. Now we are starting Zabbix configuration using collate. Use sudo to switch from the current user to the root user. Then check Zabbix's Choose Your Platform section. We are using the link provided in the description. This command installs the Apache HTTP server to serve web pages and handle HTTP requests. We are using the command shared in the description. This command installs PHP and its required extensions. We are using the command shared in the description. This command installs the PHP module for Apache and enables Apache to process PHP files directly. We are using the command shared in the description. Download and install the Zabbix repository configuration using the following steps. apt update to ensure all packages are upgraded using the latest available information. Once the repository is set up, install Zabbix Server, Frontend, Agent. Now configuring the MySQL database for Zabbix. It shows an error, can't connect to local MySQL because my Ubuntu server does not have a database installed. We need to install the MySQL database using this command. The command is used to start the MySQL server on your system. Make sure you have database server up and running. Run the following command on your database host. Then create a user that the Zabbix server will use, give it access to the new database, and set the password for the user. On Zabbix server host, import initial schema and data. You will be prompted to enter your newly created password. Enter the password for the Zabbix MySQL. It may take a minute or two to execute. Disable log_bin_trust_function_creators using the following command option after importing the database schema. Edit the file /etc/zabbix/zabbix_server.conference. In this file, find and update the following line. Set the DB password value to the password for your database user. Search /dbp. Press I and remove hash, and then press A and set password. Start Zabbix server and agent processes and make it start at system boot. Complete Zabbix server installation. The web interface lets you see reports and add hosts that you want to monitor, but it needs some initial setup before you can use it. Launch your browser and go to the address. Check the hostname and IP address of Zabbix server. Then go to weblog and using http://hostname/zabbix or IP. On the first screen, you will see a welcome message. Click Next Step to continue. On the next screen, you will see the table that lists all of the prerequisites to run Zabbix. All of the values in this table must be okay, so verify that they are. Be sure to scroll down and look at all of the prerequisites. Once you've verified that everything is ready to go, click Next Step to proceed. The next screen asks for database connection information. Therefore, enter the MySQL credentials you configured. Click Next Step to proceed. Set server name and time. Click Next Step to proceed. The next screen will show the pre-installation summary so you can confirm everything is correct. Click Next Step to proceed to the final screen. The web interface setup is now complete. Now, we will show the Zabbix dashboard.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.